I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making salted dark chocolate toffee fudge. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Every month or so I pay a visit to the folks I worked with before I retired. Of course I can't show up empty-handed, so I always bring treats, usually whatever I've made for the most recent episode. This time it was the fudge that I'm about to show you, and it got really good reviews. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own salted dark chocolate toffee fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, you'll need 14 grams of unsalted butter, 397 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 340 grams of dark chocolate, 1.5 grams of salt, 113 grams of toffee bits, plus a little more as a topping, and we're going to sprinkle some sea salt flakes on the top. I'm also using an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment paper, a medium saucepan, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line an 8x8 baking dish and set it aside. In a medium saucepan over medium-low heat, place the butter, sweetened condensed milk, and salt. Heat until it starts to simmer, stirring occasionally. Add the toffee bits and stir to combine. Remove the saucepan from the heat and add the chocolate. Stir until everything is combined. Pour the mixture into the lined baking pan and spread it evenly. Sprinkle some toffee bits on top, then add a little sea salt. Let it rest on the counter until it's set. Remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it! Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte mhath. Yeah, this is nice. The toffee is as crunchy as the fudge is creamy, so it has a nice variety of textures. The mature, not too sweet dark chocolate flavor goes really well with the kind of dark sweetness of the toffee. Just a delightful combination. Take these to work or a party or wherever, and I'm sure you'll get the same response as I did. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you join me next time. So, I always bring treats. Usually whatever. Every month or so I pay and stir